Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to get my bangs, cut my bangs at home. Yeah, as you guys can see, I just brushed my hair. Now I'm trying to make a section in the front. So I had bangs when I got my haircut, but now it's getting super long, and I'm trying to get the same hair from the front and just cut it myself because my hair is getting pretty boring. I just want to make it fun, and yeah, trying this at home. This is my first time cutting my bangs at home. Yeah, so I just got the scissor and cut it. I think I cut it about like I don't know, 3 inch, so it was still a bit too long, so I trimmed it again a little bit more. So I'm just clipping my hair and use a different scissor and just get it thinner. I want it thin in the bottom. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. If I'm not doing it right, please don't judge me. This is my first time. I'm just trying my best. Yeah, so now I am just going to use my flat iron to just straight my hair. By the way, this flat iron is from USA. When I came, I bring this from there. The brand is Eva, and I got this from Burlington. So yeah, here as you guys can see, I got my bangs. It's not short and it's not too long, it's just in between. Yeah, and my hair is super long. I love wearing straight hair. My natural hair is wavy. A lot of the time I wear my hair straight. I still wanna grow my hair a bit longer, and then I can just go trim it. Whenever I get my hair straight, I just make 2 sections and then put one up, I straighten, then I just put it down, and then I make another 2 sections. It's super easy and it just helps me get all my hair straight. I really hope I don't bore you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I just want to thank everybody, all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support and love. Yeah, so here my hair is straight, and I really like my bangs. It looks super nice. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So I'm going to end the video. I'll see you guys soon with the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone. Bye for now. We dance.